Hey folks, I'm back done the video, and in today's video I'm gonna be unboxing my new equipment that I ordered for YouTube purpose and in general purpose. Like it can be used for everything. So here's the package that I got. So it was an open box delivery. It's already turned up. So we'll take this out. So this is the equipment as you can see. We'll open it. So this comes with a complimentary bracket for mobile, which is basically for holding the mobile. And then we have the stand itself. So I think it's pretty sturdy, like it is very good quality, and like I think I've used this in the past, and it is also actually a very good quality. This cost me like 900 rupees, which is I guess fair for the price, because fair for the quality that you get. This is purely metal and this feels very sturdy, so I guess this would be a good purchase. I'll put the link in the description for sure. And this is the equipment for your tablet or iPad, whatever you have. So I would not this for now. I'll need this mobile one for now, which would be basically be used for overhead shots, or if I want to place my mobile at an unconventional place and I want it to be safe. So this is the tab, and there are different screws given to tighten it up and loosen it up. There is one more thing that I missed, which is the clamp. This would be basically used in mounting it on the table. So let's unwrap it. So as you can see, this is the clamp actually. This would be basically used in order to clamp wherever I want to clamp this. So this would be here, it would be fitted, and then I can tighten it up, and this would go like this. One moment. Yep, I think this is a very good quality stand. So let's put it to the use and we'll see how this is. Okay, so we'll set up this clamp and I'll show you how does this work exactly. I think we'll remove this for now. Okay, so we'll have this clamp. Let me unwind it.
Yep. Place it here.
And this is how it's done. So as you can see, let's upload this. Yeah. So this has been mounted on my table, and this is how you can use it to tighten it even more. Now we bring the equipment. So this is the equipment, and we'll just place it here. Yep, I think this is a very tight thing, and yeah, so I guess this does look fine, and you can use it, rotate it, you can put it for different shots, you can use it for watching movies, and yeah, I think this is a really sturdy shot. Let's find that. This is how you unscrew and you can move the positions. This, and then this you can be rotated here as well. So we'll use this clamp as well, and we'll use it. This is for mobile. You'll have to unscrew this, and this becomes a little light, and then all your screws. I can place this. Oh, okay. So you have to keep this aside, and then you'll have to put it down. We'll put this now. Some pressure, okay, that feels out. Now we'll just tighten this up. Yeah, so that was a little tricky part, and now this is done. I think this is a great setup now. If I look at this is very sturdy as well, and I'll just give you a great look on how my camera looks on this. So yeah, so I've set this up now, and I think this looks better. Now I can shoot different shots because I didn't have a tripod actually, and I think this is a better equipment than any of the tripods, because with time I think you don't tend to use tripod, and I have a table and it usually goes with it, and I can also rotate my shots, I guess, like this, and will shoot. Ignore the mess if you're seeing any. I'm hoping you are not, because there's nothing on my background, but yeah, if you are, just ignore it please. And I think so this is a great equipment, and this is like 900 rupees, like 922 to be exact. I'll put the link in the description. And I think this is a good setup. Like if I want to make a standing video, I usually sit down and make a video, but it's better when you speak and you stand and speak, and that's a better video. So yep, you'll get some different shots in upcoming videos. So this is also one of the shots that I wanted to take, like an overhead table, like where I can show my table, and if I want to unbox anything, and I can unbox it up and you can see the videos, and if I zoom it in like this, it will be clearly done, I guess. I can focus it and I can view what's the camera viewing. So this is also a shot that can be used. That was all about my video. If you like the video and if you like the video and it was helpful, please hit the like, and if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe as well. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.